Hey, I'm Meghan of I'm Fixin To, and I'm so excited to be installing these beautiful Vantage Shutters on our home today. I started my blog as a creative outlet from my job in public education. I had no idea it would evolve into this. My personal style is comfortable, relatively casual. I like incorporating pieces that have a story to tell. I loved our home when we first moved in. The front porch was really what attracted me to this house, but I really wanted to add shutters to it. I thought the house was great, but it seemed like it was missing something on the front, and I definitely thought shutters would be a great addition. So I decided to add them myself. The shopping experience that we had with finding the shutters was really easy. We went to the Lowe's website, we saw the options that Vantage had. It had the color scheme that we were looking for. It made the whole process really easy. We decided to install vinyl shutters because of the lack of upkeep that we would really have to do versus wood shutters. It was a no-brainer for us. I installed 4 sets of shutters across the front of our house, and it took maybe an hour and a half to do. And it was a really simple and quick project that got us a lot of curb appeal. Stepping back and seeing the new addition of our Vantage shutters was really great. I'm really excited to be able to show them off to our neighbors, and I'm just really pleased with how it turned out.